First off, I would like to have leader 111 Daryl and follower 118 Rissy. Daryl and Rissy. Right over this way. Next up, can I get follower 201 Anna and leader 100 Tom. Tom and Anna. Let's hear it for our third couple, leader 115 James and follower 113 Amber. James and Amber. Next up, leader 114 Ben and follower 206 Josie. Ben and Josie. Next up, couple number 5, can I get leader 104 Jesse and follower 208 Jessica. Jesse and Jessica. Our sixth and final couple, please welcome to the floor leader 313 Cam and follower 216 Maria. Cam and Maria. Competitors, we're going to have a little warm-up song for you to get to know your friend. So do step on out to the floor. This is going to be your first of 2 songs. Sexual Chocolate! Take us away.